हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप सब मज़े में हैं। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान के सागर ऑफिशियल में। तो गाइस, आप सभी जानते हैं कि जेकेएसएसबी फाइनेंस अकाउंट असिस्टेंट की जो मैंने एमसीक्यूज की सीरीज़ चलाई, तो आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आया हूं जेके पोर्शन का। तो वो टॉपिक गाइस ये है करंट इवेंट्स ऑफ नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस के ऊपर। तो उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जो भी भाई चैनल पर नया है तो चैनल को पहले कर दो यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब, साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस करने के बाद ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करना बिल्कुल न भूलना, ताकि जब भी कोई मैं ऐसी एमसीक्यूज लेके आऊँ तो उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। तो गाइस चलो चलते हैं एमसीक्यूज की तरफ। गाइस द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच स्टेट बैन 12 ब्रांड ऑफ पान मसाला फ्रॉम द पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर। द राइट आंसर इज पार्ट डी, बिहार। Next question is India has become the first country in the world to issue BSID, which capture the fecal biometric data of seafarers. BSID stand for. The right answer is part A, biometric seafarer identification document. Next question is which among these bowler has not taken hat-trick wicket in the test cricket. The right answer is part D, Anil Kumble. Next question is who has been appointed as the principal secretary to Prime Minister. The right answer is part B, Niripindra Mishra. Next question is Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Nepal counterpart KP Sharma Oli jointly inaugurated South Asian first cross-border petroleum product pipeline from. The right answer is part A, Bihar to Amlakal Gunj. Next question is which country announced the contribution of 22 million USD to GFTAM for 6th replenishment cycle. The right answer is part C, India. Next question is which state government has launched Walk to Work on Wednesday WWE campaign. The right answer is part B, Meghalaya. Next question is how many cities be covered under central government health scheme service by 2021. The right answer is part A, 100. Next question is where was the national wide Fit India movement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched. The right answer is part A, New Delhi. Next question is which nation has launched its own space command. The right answer is part C, United States of America, US. Next question is India ranks dash dash on global happiness survey according to the report by Ipsos. The right answer is part C, 9th. Next question is what is the sex ratio at birth SRB for the year 2018-19 after the implementation of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao BBBP program in 2015. The right answer is part A, 957. Next question is UNESCO has tied up with which Indian state to promote state intangible culture heritage. The right answer is part C, Rajasthan. Next question is what was the rank given to the New Delhi in 2019 Global Livability Index prepared by the Economist Intelligence Unit. The right answer is part B, 118. Next question is which among the following places adjudged as Betty Swachh Icon Place of India? Best Swachh Icon Place in India. The right answer is part B, Vaishno Devi Shrine. Next question is, according to the latest release by the World Gold Council, which spot has been given to India in terms of total gold reserves? The right answer is part C, 10th. Next question is, the capital city of Mali is? The right answer is part B, Bamako. Next question is, which was the first bank to open a branch of foreign soil? The right answer is part C, Bank of India. Next question is, which airport has emerged as the second fastest growing airport in the world? The right answer is part A. Next question is, in which year the Danish East Indian Company was formed? The right answer is part C, 1616. Next question is, who wrote the book Gandhi and Stalin? The right answer is part B, Louis Fischer. Next question is, the author of the book Making India Awesome is? The right answer is part D, Chetan Bhagat. Next question is, NASA has named a rock on Mars in the honor of the Icon English band. What is the name of the band? The right answer is part B, Rolling Stones. Next question is, think different is the slogan which multinational company? The right answer is C, part C, Apple. Next question is, Georgetown is the capital of dash dash. The right answer is part A, Geneva. Next question is, crediting rating agency Modi has recently cut the rating of financial institutions to junk. The institution is? The right answer is part A, Yes Bank. Next question is, which is the theme of the 45th G7 Smiti which was held in France? The right answer is part A, fighting income and gender inequality and protecting biodiversity. Next question is, which football team has won the 2019 Durrad Cup tournament? The right answer is part B, Mufin Bagan. Next question is, Microsoft has partnered with which of these management institutions to advance early skill in India? The right answer is part C, UMB. Next question is, which was the first bank to open in the branch of foreign soil? The right answer is part C, Bank of India. Who wrote the book Gandhi and Stalin? The right answer is part B, Louis Fischer. Next question is, name the e-commerce portal that is to be launched by Government of India in order to launch to 3 years. The right answer is part C, Bharatcraft. Next question is, which country national dope testing laboratory was suspended for 6 months by the World Anti-Doping Agency? due to the non-conformance with the International Standard of Laboratories ISL? The right answer is part B, India. Next question is, who has become the Indian first female flight commander? The right answer is part C, Shijla Dami. Next question is, GOI has launched the mobile application Joshodhan Sungam. Which minister of the government has issued it? The right answer is part D, Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers. Next question is, Union government appoint dash dash private sector to export has joint secretaries. The right answer is part D, 12. Next question is, dash dash Shillong declaration recently seen in news is related to? The right answer is part D, e-government. Next question is, Momentum for Change is initiative of UN Climate Change Secretary. The right answer is part A, UN Climate Change Secretaries. Next question is, which state topped the Children Well-being Index? The right answer is part A, Kerala. Next question is, which of the following cricket stadium will be renamed as Arun Jaitley Stadium in memory of its foreign president? The right answer is part D, Firoza Shah Kotla Stadium. Next question is, Canadian National Park is in which state? The right answer is part D, Odisha. Next question is, advancement through technology is slogan of which of these following multinational company? The right answer is part D, Audi. Next question is, which state has topped the state rooftop solar attractiveness index SRL that was launched during the review planning monetary RPM meeting with states and state power utilized? The right answer is part D, Karnataka. Next question is, recently the 9th session of the India-Kenya Joint Trade Committee was held in? The right answer is part D, New Delhi. Next question is, which country launched world first ever fecal biometric based C-facial identifier document? The right answer is part C, India. Next question is, Mumbai has been ranked at which spot in the World Safe Cities Index 2019? The right answer is part C, 45th. Next question is, which IIT has collaboration with Amazon Web Service to launch National Artificial Intelligence Research Portal? The right answer is part D, IIT Kanpur. Next question is, which channel was awarded with the Champion of Empathy Award by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla for spreading awareness about hepatitis? The right answer is part C, Aaj Tak. Next question is, Gandhi ji started Satyagraha in 1919 to protest against the right answer is part B, Revolt Act. Next question is, which project was launched by the Khadi and Village Industry Commission KVIC that aimed to make carry bag by mixing, process and treat plastic waste with cotton fiber rake in ratio 2018? The right answer is part A.